Hey guys, welcome to a new video here on NailPossible. A few weeks ago I received my order from MoYou London, which I placed on Black Friday, so we're going to open that today. I've had the package unopened for a long time and I can't take it anymore, so let's open it. Sometimes these packages from MoYou London come, or at least they used to come, in a very cute envelope, which was almost too pretty to throw away. And I was kinda sad when I saw that it was just a yellow envelope, but it's actually better because I don't feel bad when I open it. While I removed the bubble wrap, let me tell you about the times. This time I felt like it took a really long time to get here, but it wasn't anything extraordinary. I guess I was just excited. Like I said, I got these on Black Friday, so it was November 23rd because of the time zones. It was shipped on December 1st and I received it on January 16th. So this time I got a few plates. I got 2, 4, 6, 7 plates total. So let's take a look at each one. The first plate we have here is Hana plate number 4. This collection was kinda new, I think, when I ordered these. And I think this plate specifically is very popular because I've seen it sold out a few times. I really enjoy this collection because the designs are small and delicate. And I really like that. I think it looks very pretty. The next plate I'm gonna show you today is Hipster plate 18. If you watch my videos and you've seen my other hauls, you might have noticed I like these kind of plates. First, because you get a bunch of images in one plate, but also because you don't have to worry about the size of your nails because there are tons of images with different sizes. Now we have Origami plate 9. This collection is kind of weird for some people, but I enjoy it a lot. I have an origami plate already, and it was one of my first MoYou London plates, so I was a little worried about the transfer because it's just really thin lines, but they're really well made, so all the lines transfer perfectly. Next plate is Pro 14, and the last time I used a Pro plate, I said to myself, next time I get a Pro, I'll get the extra large, but I forgot to change it in my cart, so I got this one. And there's nothing wrong with this plate, but it has a ton of tiny details and it's really hard if you want to use it for reverse stamping. So I really recommend the extra large ones if you like reverse stamping. The next plate I have here is Minimal 10. They released more plates in this collection and I am loving it. In fact, the stamp on my nails right now is from this collection. It's just a great collection in my opinion. I love them for those times when you just want a small detail on your nails. And I got another plate from this collection. I'm not lying guys, I really like these images. This is plate number 9 and this one has a bunch of fine lines and towards the end we have a couple of full nail designs that I think would be perfect for double stamping. And finally, we have Enchanted plate 16. And can we just take a moment to admire the packaging on these? I really love MoYou London packaging, but anyway, let's get back on track. This is my second extra large plate from MoYou London. I usually get the regular size plates because my nails are not that long, but I really wanted this one in extra large because of the details on this plate. And that's it for this video. That is my Black Friday haul. I only get plates because they don't send polishes to Mexico, so I can't order those. And I still haven't decided if I want to get stampers. I'm curious, but the ones I have work just fine, so I don't have a reason to get them, you know? But I don't know, maybe in the future. Also, let me remind you that in the info box there's a link that will give you 10% off your order from MoYou London if you create your account with that link. In case anyone needs it, you can find it right there. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you did. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!